The devotee is asking a question about Yogamaya, and Yogamaya is represented in various temples around Braj Mandal, in various places. Near Nandagram, there is one gufa, there is one cave, which you can't go in, but there's a small place there, and some stones, and they say this is the gufa. They say that this cave near Nandagram is where Purnamasi Devi used to stay. Yogamaya's personified form is Purnamasi in Krishna Lila, and in Gaur Lila, Yogamaya takes the form of Vaitacharya's wife, named Sita Devi. So there is a temple outside of the entrance. To the left of the entrance is Sevakunj, on the way to the Sitanath Mandir, behind Sevakunj, little gully there. On the corner there, near Sevakunj in Vrindavan, there's a temple of Purnamasi. In the old temple, the Prachin Mandir of Rupa Goswami Pad, Radha Govinda Mandir, there is a small temple adjoined to that was built for the worship of Yogamaya. When Rupa Goswami discovered Govindaji, that was done by the arrangement of Yogamaya. Yogamaya revealed to him the existence of Govindaji under the ground. So where they dug a hole in the ground, the Brijvasis. A long story, Rupa Goswami was trying to find the lost deities because he was given this order by Mahaprabhu, Sanatana and Rupa. It says, Lupta Tirtha Prakat, manifest the hidden holy places. Bhakti Shastra Likana, and write devotional shastras like this, and teach the way of devotion, bhakti sadhana. So they did that. When they dug this hole, he had a cow, a beautiful cow, used to come every day to this small hillock. You see there's a small hill there. Where the temple is, there's a small hill, and that hill represents the Yoga Pit, the back of the turtle. The turtle's back, this turtle, the sea turtle, water turtle, has kind of an elliptical back. The back starts at the edge of the shell, it goes like slightly like this, and goes like that, and kind of glides through the water. It's not like a land turtle, it's called box turtle, it's shaped like this. You ever see they crawl on the land? You saw a turtle? It's shaped like an arch. But this is elliptical, it's just like this. So the Yoga Pit in Braj Lila, the Maha Yoga Pit, is described in Govinda Lilamrita and other Tantra Shastras, Vaishnava Tantra, Yoga Pit. It rises, that area of land, it's a golden area, it rises like the back of a turtle from the banks of the Yamuna. The Yamuna comes from the north and breaks into two branches and connects in the south. And there's an island in the middle, and the land rises like the back of a turtle. And the top of that land, it slopes, goes down to the Yamuna on all sides, is the Yoga Pit. And the top of that turtle's back is right where the Govindaji Mandir was built. So when they were digging that hole, because the cow was coming there every day and dropping milk, because Rupa Goswami Pad, he was praying to Yogamaya, because you can only enter Krishna Lila or have darshan of Krishna by the mercy of his Shakti, by the mercy of his Shakti. The Kripa Shakti of Guru, and then the Shakti of Radharani, the Bhakti Devi, which is Radharani's energy, the, you can say, metaphorical representative of Ladini Shakti and Samvit. Krishna and Radharani, they expand in a metaphorical form. It's not a real form. It's not a deity. It's not a form. There's no mantra. There's no murti. But called Bhakti Devi. So Bhakti Devi is the energy of Krishna, the Shakti of Krishna, called Samvit Shakti, and the energy of Radharani called Ladini. So just to give it those energies some personified form, they say Bhakti Devi. There's no such individual personality of Bhakti Devi anywhere mentioned and anywhere in Goswami Granths. But we use this to describe Bhakti. So he was praying to the Shakti, Yogamaya. Oh Yogamaya, please reveal Krishna to me. Where is the lilas talis? This is the order of Mahaprabhu. I have to find this place. So every day a cow was coming to the top of that hillock and dropping milk there. automatically milk was pouring from her udders, stan. And Lord Chaitanya, Rupa Goswami, he noticed that every day cow was coming. So then he was praying to Yogamaya, then Yogamaya revealed to him, said, yes, Krishna's here. So he dug the hole down, 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 and found Govindaji. And they installed Govindaji. So that very hole where they dug and found the deity, and where Yogamaya revealed to him, that's the location of the Yogamaya Mandir. So that's, you can say, just like you go to Radharaman Temple, Thakurji Radharaman Dev. And behind there, between the Samadhi and the Mandir, is the Prakatstali, Thakurji Prakatstali of Radharaman. There's some tree there, or the remnants of some tree, because that tree, every night, Gopal Bhatta Goswami would hang his basket with shalagrams inside. And there's a long story about all that, I need not tell now. So then one day, when he went to that tree to take off his basket of shalagrams for puja, he found Radharaman. Radha Ramana Giridhari, Giridhari Shama Bhanavari, Mera Radha Ramana Giridhari, Giridhari Shama Bhanavari, Mera Radha Ramana Giridhari, Giridhari Shama Bhanavari. Hamara Dana Radha, Shri Radha, Shri Radha, Shivana Dana Radha, Shri Radha, Shri Radha. He found Radharaman. So now they have a small stone there and some lotus feet to commemorate that this is the Prakatstali. So that Yogapith Mandir and Radha Govindaji, which is an appendage to the main Mandir, is where Yogamaya revealed the form of Govindaji, Govindadev. So then he had somewhere along the way, a murti was made to commemorate that lila. A white marble murti was made of Yogamaya. And that Yogamaya was staying there since 400 some years. And people do puja there. And they pray to Yogamaya. People also meet people. I also go there. I've gone. So this is a very nice place. And some gurus, they give a mantra, Yogamaya mantra, although we don't see in Hari Bhakti Vilas or anywhere mentioned by Goswamis. But some gurus, some Babajis, they have Yogamaya mantra, or maybe some regular devotees have Yogamaya mantra or Yogamaya Gayatri. Either way, by mantra or by prarthana or by your personal prayer and puja, we will not enter Krishna's lila without the mercy of Yogamaya. Now we're in Mahamaya. We are in this illusory energy of Maya. And only by the mercy of Krishna will Yogamaya cover us and take us to Him. Krishna tells in Gita 7:14, Daiviyesha gunamayi mama maya dharatya mama eviya prapadyante maya metam tarantite. Taranti means cross, and very quickly. Tarant and taranti. We can cross over this ocean of Mahamaya very quickly by the mercy of Krishna. Daiviyesha gunamayi mama eviya prapadyante. When we fully surrender to Krishna, now we're covered. We can't see our spiritual form. We can't see Krishna. We can't see the spiritual form of Guru. We see Murti as Murti, not as Krishna. We don't have the dristi to see the Murti as Sakshat Krishna. We say, oh, this is the Murti of Krishna. So this Yogamaya has to be favorable and merciful to us. Who's the first? Who arranges for everyone's darshan of Krishna every day? Everyone gets to see the darshan of Krishna after Purnamasi. Purnamasi goes first. And then because she goes there, so there's a teaching in this. Purnamasi goes to wake up Krishna. Krishna is sleeping in my heart also. Krishna is sleeping in Yashoda's house, in the Nanda Bhavan, in his bedroom. But none of the Balaram and Madhumangal, no one can see him. They're all waiting outside. Oh, Kanaya, come, we want to see you, we want to touch you. I'll be the first to touch Krishna, I'll be the first to touch Krishna. No, I'll be the first. I'll be the first to see Krishna. No, I'll be the first. No, you'll be the first. So, no, Purnamasi's the first. Krishna opens his eyes when Purnamasi comes. Yogamaya. So then she comes and goes, then everybody sees Krishna, he comes out. So Purnamasi, the mercy of Purnamasi, this Shakti, ultimately it's Radharani Shakti. Purnamasi, all Shaktis are Radharani. So Yogamaya has to be very merciful to us. So we pray to Yogamaya, we worship Yogamaya. Our Goswamis have prayers here and there to Purnamasi and Yogamaya. She is essential. Her kripa, her mercy is essential in the development of Bhakti Bhajan, especially in Raganuga Sadhana Bhakti, because we want to enter the lila and do our seva and our siddhadeya. Now we're doing smaran and trying to deepen our smaran and attain a level of dharana, and then if we can go beyond that and actually enter dhyan, well and good. But we have an objective. We want to see Krishna. We want to serve Krishna.